Yeah, no, the game, Al Shamal game is very tough for us because we lose against Qatar and we need immediately to win this game. So we have pressure. We have pressure about the result. But the result is the result. Me, in my opinion, is I talk about that with the player. Is the continue of the game is very important for me. The result is important, but the continue. And in this moment, we miss. This is the truth. We miss a lot of things. A lot of things. We miss discipline. We miss aggressivity. When I saw Qatar FC in the first 15 minutes, we injuries Hashem, but he has a lot of aggressivity in the forward, in the middle, in the defense, and we need to recover this aggressivity, because in the football, in the sport in general, if you don't have discipline, aggressivity, it's very difficult to have some result. So we miss these things. So for the game, we don't have a lot of time to preparing the game, but we talk a lot with my player. Guys, if you don't have the principal, the fundamental qualities for a team, the football team, it's very difficult to have a result. So I wait with impatience this game, and I hope it will be better than the Qatar FC. Lost is a big effect for the player, for the club, for the fans, for the trainer. I am very unhappy. We are unhappy because the trainer we put with the we. For the moment, we miss a lot of things. I talk about that in the first question. We need to recover some quality and some player, because it's not an excuse, but in the beginning of the Qatar club, we don't have all the players in the same time. It's unbelievable. It's unbelievable. In the beginning, we miss the national player, Qatar national player. Is not an excuse, but is a fact. Is a fact. And okay, with the final in the Emir Cup, we have not 100% of the team, because we miss 3 national players in the under 23. So now, step by step, we recover all the players, but we have the CAN and we lost 2 players. So is a season very complicated, very delicate. It was tough, more than the last year, but believe me, I thought a lot in the last year. When I coming here in December, it was, in my opinion, it was the 26th December. It was the same situation, more or less. So, is a fact. We have this squad, we have a problem. We have a problem of the concentration, the aggressivity, and the fighting. Because the last year, when I coming, we have the same position, and we lost the first game. I remember very good, because we play Al Sadd, we lost, and we play Al Salia, and we lost at home. So we need to recover this spirit, because after it was better, it will be better. But we need all the time. This is my job. And I take the responsibility. I have to be understand in my player, guys. If you go in the stadium, okay, you name Al Rayyan, you name like this. But if you don't have the 2 or 3 qualities fundamental in the sport, fighting, discipline, aggressivity, you can lose against all the team. So we need to recover that. So I hope this is my job. As soon as possible, we need it. We need it. I talked with the player. The player, he was very concentrated, but is not enough. He's not enough. He's not enough. I talk with them. Excuse me. I talk a lot with the professional player, with the local player, and everybody is agreed to say, okay, we need to do more. All the people, the younger player, all the squad. But we need to be here in the preparation, because I repeat, for a lot of reasons, we don't have the squad, the completely squad, and now is the same. We miss some player. We have a lot of injuries. We have some player. We go to the CAN. Is the last game. The game with. We have the problem like the other team. So, in my opinion, is to recover the mentality to the mentality winner, the winner mentality. For the moment, at the moment, we don't have it. So I am very directly. If you don't have this mentality, it's difficult to win the game.